Point Pedro, the northernmost tip of Sri Lanka, is a quiet coastal town rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. These hotels provide a claim base for visitors exploring pristine beaches, Hindu temples, and the unique lifestyle of the northern province. The first one is Village Hotel Northern Point. Hotel Northern Point is a simple beachfront property offering direct access to the coast. Guests enjoy fresh sea breezes, wide view, and a relaxed garden space for evenings. Rooms are modest yet comfortable, with all essential amenities to make the stay easy. The staff is friendly and helpful, ensuring visitors feel welcome. Its location make it perfect for travelers who want the sea right at their doorstep. The second one is Amu Villa. Amu Villa is a cozy homestay that has been recently upgraded to offer modern comforts. Guests appreciate the clean air conditioned room along with a small outdoor pool and garden for relaxation. Hosts are known for their warm hospitality and local guidance. It's ideal for couples or families seeking a homely environment. The third one is KBS Golden House. KBS Golden House is praised by travelers for its neat environment and calm setting. The rooms are well kept with a focus on cleanliness and essential amenities. Its peaceful atmosphere creates a homely feel, great for travelers who prefer a quiet retreat. This hotel is a good value for money option in Point Pedro. The fourth one is Tulip Guest Inn. Located in the center of Point Pedro, Tulip Guest Inn offer easy access to local shops and transport. The inn provides clean, functional rooms with comfortable bedding and basic facilities. A shared lounge space make it easy to relax or meet other travelers. Its convenience and reliability make it a popular choice for short stays. The fifth one is Gunam Guest House. Gunam Guest House is a small bed and breakfast with an outstanding reputation for cleanliness and hospitality. Guests often mention how homely the place feels, with attentive service and cozy rooms. The property offers a quiet and relaxed environment perfect for resting after a day of exploring. Simple but thoughtfully managed, it has become a favorite among repeat visitors. The next one is Nim's Paradise. Nim's Paradise offers a comfortable stay in a serene natural setting. Rooms are spacious and airy with balconies that allow guests to enjoy the fresh air. The property is peaceful, making it a nice escape from the town's activity. Hosts are praised for being accommodating and helpful with local traveler advice. It's a good fit for families and travelers looking for extra quiet. The next one is Lilipo. Lilipo is a cozy guest house offering comfortable rooms and a laid-back atmosphere. Guests enjoy the clean interiors and availability of free parking, making it convenient for road travelers. The terrace area is a highlight where visitors can unwind to in the evenings. Its simplicity combined with attentive staff make it a reliable and affordable choice. The next one is PPNR Residence. PPNR Residence provide a budget-friendly stay with basic yet well-maintained facilities. Rooms are simple yet practical, perfect for travelers who need a convenient stopover. The staff is welcoming and ensure that guests have everything they need. Its location also offers good access to nearby attractions, making it a practical base for exploring Point Pedro. The second last is Lux's Garden House. Lux's Garden House is designed as a small guest house with a focus on acclaim and greenery. The garden setting make it relaxing while rooms are modern and comfortable. Guests frequently highlight the attentive host and peaceful atmosphere. The combination of homeliness and value make it appealing. The last one is 501 Tampalaya Road Guest House. This guest house is known for its proximity to local temples and cultural attractions. The rooms are basic but kept clean, offering all essential comforts for travelers. Guests appreciate the friendly staff and homely ambience, which create a warm experience. Its private parking and a convenient location is serves well for short cultural visits or budget-friendly stays. Point Pedro's Hotel may be smaller in scale, but they offer heartfelt service, clean rooms, and genuine hospitality that make every stay memorable. Whether you prefer a homestay with personal touches, a beachfront property with sea views, or a quiet garden retreat, Point Pedro has accommodation that suit different needs and budgets.